Alright guys, we're right here in the back office of the 12-minute affiliate system, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick peek inside just so you can see exactly what you're getting with this 14-day $9.95 test drive, which is totally worth it in my opinion. And so I started the affiliate system, and I've gone and able to put in my links, and I was really impressed. When you come into this back office, it's pretty simple, pretty basic, and the whole system is basically designed to be kind of a plug and play, copy paste, uh, set it and forget it type of system, and they really deliver on that promise. You can see here with this checklist right here. If you go down the list, you can basically set up your whole system in less than 12 minutes, especially if you have a ClickBank already or autoresponder. That's definitely what you want to go ahead and integrate. And so they have this checklist you can go through, and it's pretty simple to set up. The basic premise is that you are going and sending these offers and these links to an email list that's already populated by consumers and people interested in your niche, and so that's definitely a plus. And so they've got traffic basically targeted for you for people who are ready to buy, and that's the biggest thing is traffic that is targeted. That's what you want. And so they have this section right here, done for you, the traffic section. They have a done for you, and they have other traffic methods. And the done for you traffic method is very simple. You're basically paying for clicks and paying for your offer to be sent to a list of these consumers who are interested in your niche. And so starting out, you're probably going to be wanting to uh, get around 300 clicks, and so I recommend probably spending around just $100 and kind of testing the market and seeing if your offer or your specifically your product, if it's not the product that they're promoting here in the 12-minute affiliate system, see if your offer is any good. And so uh, be ready to spend probably around $100, and everything rolled in. If you don't have Aweber, that's the only other expense here, and that's basically a free trial for 30 days, and $19 after that. So those are basically the only expenses. So you, basically to get started, you're out $120, which is pretty good. It's basically considering the traffic that you're going to be getting. And they also have other traffic methods that they offer. They don't offer it, but they give you different ideas on how to drive traffic to your different offers. And so, all in all, I'm really impressed. I've been doing it now for about a month, and I'm getting some good results. And so, if you're interested, go ahead and click the link below. Sign up for the free or for the 14-day $9.95 test drive, and I think you guys will be pretty excited. And so, all right, guys, I'll see you soon.